Hello friends, welcome back to Peekaboo Kidz, the channel where we uncover the coolest mysteries of the universe. I'm Maya-san, and today we're talking about one of the most beautiful sights in the night sky. Have you ever looked up at night and seen those tiny brilliant lights, the stars? They look so calm and far away, but wait, sometimes they seem to twinkle, right? One moment they're bright, the next they're a little dimmer. Why is that? Are the stars actually blinking at us? Let's find out. Here's the fascinating truth. The stars themselves don't actually twinkle. They are massive balls of fire shining with a steady, constant light. The twinkling we see is a bit of an illusion, a trick played by something much closer to us, the Earth's atmosphere or the air around our planet. Think of a star's light as a straight laser beam traveling billions of miles. But when that beam finally reaches Earth, it has to pass through all our layers of air. This air isn't perfectly still. It's constantly moving, swirling, and changing temperatures. We call this turbulent. Imagine looking at the bottom of a swimming pool on a hot day. The light coming through the water seems to dance, shimmer, because the water is moving and mixing. That's exactly what our atmosphere does to starlight. As the star's light beam zips through pockets of warm and cold air, the air bends and refracts the light a little bit in random directions because the air is always shifting. The tiny image of the star shifts on our eye too, and we see it as a constant flicker or twinkle. So the star is shining steadily, but our bumpy air is shaking its light before it reaches us. Isn't that cool? The next time you see a star twinkling, remember, you're not seeing the star blink. You're seeing the magic of the air right here on Earth. Now for a quick challenge. Did you know that planets usually don't twinkle? They appear closer and bigger than stars, so their light isn't easily scattered by the atmosphere. Go outside tonight and see if you can spot a steady, non-twinkling star. It might be a planet like Jupiter or Mars. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, smash that like button, subscribe to Peekaboo Kidz, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next awesome adventure. What other space mysteries should we solve? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Ayala, and see you next time. Goodbye, friends.